In this video, I am going to show you how to fix YouTube slow loading and lagging. So first off, just go to settings, click settings. Once you did that, just click reset settings. Once you did that, just click reset settings so that it will reset the settings of your Chrome. And this is our third method, just delete data of your browsing data so that it will clear cake of your Chrome. After that, the fourth method is to navigate our graphic acceleration or hardware acceleration. And you just have to turn off your graphic acceleration or hardware acceleration. And our fifth method is just to search youtube.com so that we could reset its permission to make the YouTube be its default state. So just see that screen. So you just have to click that reset permissions, then it's good to go because maybe your YouTube is not in its normal state. So you have to reset that. Then after that, you have to try YouTube if it's working and if it's faster and not loading. And that's all.